Hi, I'm Natalie. Thank you for stopping by. I sell vintage and pre-loved designer accessories at styledunder.com. My channel is all about slow fashion, sustainability, as well as health and wellness. If this is your first time here, welcome. I drop videos every Mondays and Wednesdays, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In my last video, I showed you how I cleaned the Vachetta on my vintage Louis Vuitton bags. I realized, based on some of the comments I received from my last two cleaning videos, that I did not do a good job of showing you a good before and after of this bag. So the video today is going to be me showing you what the bag looked like before I cleaned it and after I cleaned it with the saddle soap. Overall, I am very happy with how everything turned out. The only part of it that isn't to my liking is the bottom. You can see a lot of the stains came out, specifically the liquid stains. There is that area on the right, however, of the bag that could use a little bit more cleaning. So I'm probably gonna give that another go just to even out the bottom of it. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. You know, just looking all around, like the water stains are gone. I didn't even expect any of that. So I am very, very happy with how it turned out. Obviously, this is a vintage bag, so it's not gonna look like its original condition. That isn't the goal here, but the goal is to make it look cleaner and better than how it was, so that it can be appreciated and loved for many more years to come. And I think we accomplished that today. Alright, so that's all that I had for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel for videos every Mondays and Wednesdays. You can shop my pre-loved and vintage designer accessory pieces at styledunder.com and connect with me on social media at styledunder25. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Au revoir!